A very good evening to one and all present here. My name is Aban Ahmed, and once again, I have been given the privilege of hosting yet another event for the Sports Club of BITS Pilani Dubai campus, this time the annual Sports Day. Sports has brought us together again. During this pandemic, all of us have endured a lot of things which we are not familiar with. But I assure you, we at BITS Pilani Dubai campus are striving hard to stick to traditions. BITS Pilani Dubai campus is the first university in UAE to host one of the events virtually, despite the pandemic. Not just the UAE, I think we're the first in the entire GCC to hold one of the events virtually. This goes to show the zeal and enthusiasm of BITS students as a whole. So here we are with the annual day for the year 2019 to 2020 to recognize the contributions of sportspersons in the pandemic-stricken year. Today is the day some of you have been waiting for the past 4 years. Today is the day some of you have waited all year long. Today is the day we will be recognize the efforts of sportspersons across the campus for their sheer dedication and hard work that they have put in for BITS Pilani Dubai campus and made us proud on the grand stage. Before we begin today's proceedings, we have a few key speakers who would like to convey their message to you all. Firstly, I would like to invite Dr. Muhammad Rafiuddin, the anchor and convener of all sporting activities for our university, to deliver the annual Sports Club report for the year 2019 to 2020. The stage is yours, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Aban, for your kind words. Respected Director, respected Chief Guest, Mr. Pillala Gopitan, Dean Student Welfare, Deans, HODs, faculty, staff, and my dear students. Good evening, everyone. I will give a brief report for the academic year 2019-2020. Today, we have selected 17 best sportsmen from the batch of 2020, and we are awarding them for their wonderful performance. They have participated in more than 50 inter-university tournaments and brought home triumphs for the last 4 years by winning overall championship consecutively for BITS Sports Festival, BSF, DIA Cup, organized by Dubai International Academic City Student Hub, one of the UAE major tournament, Gulf Medical University Sports Fest. The list is endless. Their utmost compassion, sportsmanship, courage, commitment, and determination has brought them these achievements for theirs. Students have also excelled in organizing inter-university events. They have always shown an incredibly optimistic and enthusiastic attitude. One of the major events was BSF, Inter-University BITS Sports Festival, in the month of November 2019, wherein 34 universities with more than 4,000 athletes participated from all over the UAE. The chief guest was DJ Bravo, world-renowned cricketer. The event was mega grand success. In all these events, the credit goes to my organizing committee, core committee. Finally, my special thanks to the director, Dean Student Welfare, Deans, HODs, faculty, and staff members for their constant support and encouragement. I would like to thank Sports Club members, Mr. Malka, President of Sports Club. Under his leadership, our students won most of the events. Mr. Hashir, Vice President, Sumaya, General Secretary, Alan, Treasurer, Sanjeev Gajara, ex-official member, and all BSF core committee members and organizing committee members. It's a big list. However, due to time constraint, I won't be taking all the names. I quote, "The pain you feel today is the strength you feel tomorrow." You have all proved to be the champions of enthusiasm. To my beloved graduating batch and my future champions, congratulations on your well-deserved victory. Wishing you all the very best in the future. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for those kind words. As I always say, sir is a man of few words, but a man of actions. Thank you for those kind words, sir. Moving on, I would like to invite Professor Dr. Aryan Saha, the director of BITS Pilani Dubai campus, to share a few words to the students. He himself is a badminton player a cricket player, and an amazing goalkeeper. He watches every football game, and unlike us, sometimes who miss our first classes in college, he is here early in the morning after watching every football game. He is very supportive and has helped develop all sporting activities in his tenure as a director, beginning from the tennis courts, the athletic tracks, the turf football ground, the grass cricket pitch. The list just goes on and on. These are just some of them. I personally, being the vice president of the student council, have seen Sir take the initiatives during our meetings to promote any proposals we bring to him. We would like to thank him for this, and I would ask him to share a few words with us.
Thank you, Avan. Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Gopichand, good evening to you. Rafiuddin, Avan, and other executive members of the Sports Club of BITS Pilani Dubai campus. I welcome you all for this annual day, Sports Day of 2020, which every year we have seen it held in the campus, in auditorium, but this time it is happening virtual. I think this time, these days are very, very tough for the sportsmen because you can study online, you can prepare for exam, everything you can do by sitting at home online, but you cannot play sports online. That you have to go to the ground or court or whatever may be. Then keep the fitness. You require also go to outside gym, which is very, very challenging at this stage. I know those who are real sportsmen, how much trouble you are getting to keep yourself fit. But anyhow, you have to accept that. But I'm sure you are all keeping fit yourself so that whenever campus opens up, already for your information, those who are in India, I inform you the sports facilities have been opened up, but with a lot of precautions, measures, with social distancing. So gym and indoor court, all these things are opened up. I'm sure when you're coming to campus from 15 September, you will be able to play, but with restriction. Thanks to the organizing committee for organizing this virtual event. And it's my pleasure to be part of this. And I wish that once we become little normal in Dubai, all of you will get chance to pursue your sports activities along with your study. So till that, we have to wait cautiously. And best wishes to all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for those kind words. I really appreciate what you said. Moving on, according to my script, Preeti ma'am should be here in our meeting. And we are happy to have Dr. Preeti Vajpayee, the Dean of Student Welfare Division, to join us for the annual Sports Day function. I think ma'am has not been able to make it, but the fact that she said that she would be accepting itself is a big deal for us. Thank you so much, ma'am. If she comes on later, for sure, we'll be bringing her up. Moving on, it gives me great pleasure to introduce our guest of honor, Pulela Gopichand. Pulela Gopichand is a former Indian badminton player. Presently, he is the chief national coach for the Indian badminton team. He won the All England Open Badminton Championship in 2001, becoming the second Indian to achieve this feat. He has won a number of awards, some of them being the Padma Bhushan Award, the Arjuna Award, the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, the Padma Shri Award, the Dronacharya Award, and the list just goes on and on and on. So I would like you to share a few words and then we can get on with the conversation as well.
A very good evening to all of you. I think for all of you, as Professor Saha said, these are difficult times and you can do a lot of things online, but sport online is a challenge. But having said that, I have very pleasant memories of my trip to BITS Pilani Dubai campus. And I first of all wish and congratulate all of you on your sports day. I think for me, sports has been something which I truly love being part of, and I'm fortunate that I still have it past my student life. But having said that, I think it's great that you have a school which promotes sport, and so many of you having an opportunity to play sport. For me, just a few. If alphabets, words, sentences was some sequence was alphabetical literacy, And if numbers, addition, subtractions in some sequence was numerical literacy, and if crawling, walking, running was some sequence was physical literacy, then we in the last few years have grown up more and more alphabetically and numerically, but gone down physically. I think for me, sports value is not only for the champions. I think about 17 or 18 champions have been felicitated today. I think it's great, but I would all want you to look at sport for everybody. I think it's not how many people who play sport, which is important. But today we are in a situation where how many people don't play sport is also very, very important. And that is my point for today. I think when we look at a class, when we look at a school, we have a few champions and we are proud of them. We're very happy about them. But truly, I think the question we should ask is how many kids in our class are actually playing sport? Whether the last 5 kids in class, probably the guy who's a little obese, the guy who's the girl who's is not coordinated well enough, is she enjoying the sports class or she being left out of the sports class? That's something which I would all want you to dwell upon. If you are in a running race, is it the winner who's enjoying all of it, or the person who's coming last is also enjoying it being part, or he is desperate to say, I don't want to do this again? I think that's what I would want you to think. If somebody comes last, our attitude standing out, is it of fun? Is it of sympathy? Is it of encouragement? Or if he falls down, what are we trying to do with him? I think that's important for us. I think as human beings, each one of us should look at being the best of what we can be. And that would be very, very important. It doesn't mean that we have to compete against the person next to us, but truly to maximize the ability of a physical being is something which would be very important to grow. If we cannot throw as high as we can, throw as far as we can, or jump as high as we can, or run as fast as we can, or run as long as we can, if we can't explore the boundaries of our physical being, how do you think we'll ever be visionaries? I think it'll be very important for all of us to start looking at sport beyond medals, sport beyond the few, so that each one of us enjoys sport. The real success of our sports day is when everybody comes here and says, I have benefited from sport. I have loved sport. I have enjoyed sport. I like challenging myself. And I'll take this thing about being the best of what I can be physically as a journey lifelong. I'll be motivated. I'll be enthused. I'll be responsible. I'll be knowledgeable to ensure that this journey of physical activity, I continue to take it as a responsibility, whether I'm 20 or 30 or 40 or 60, it doesn't matter. But I'll continue to do all I can to be physically active all my life. And that's where I would end this. For each of you who's been part of this program, thank you very much for inviting me. And for all of you in today's event, congratulations to all the champions, all of you for having participated in sport. I remember Jawaharlal Nehru's statement, which I thought was a joke when I first heard of it, was that participation is more important than winning. And I thought only people who lose make these statements. But truly, I think sport is that. Because if you participate in sport, whether you win a medal or not, you're still a champion. And that's where I would end this speech. Thank you very much. It's really nice memories. And I wish each of you all the very best and great health, and hope we all come back to a more normal world soon.
Thank you so much, sir. Don't spotlight me so quick. I'm just lost in those thoughts of what Sir said. Sir, I might just copy a few of those quotes on my social media. It was just wonderful, sir, what you said. It actually touched me. I'm lost. I think I lost my script also somewhere down there. So, but I need to ask you a few questions. I'm not going to let go of this opportunity like this, sir. If that's okay with you, you can obviously tell
Yeah.
me no, and I'm ready to accept that as well. So, out of every match you've played, I've always wondered this. Like usually before I go to sleep, I just keep wondering, like, what would Sir answer if I asked him this? Out of every match you've played, you've played like a million matches, and you still keep playing. Maybe some matches in your training as well. Which is that one match which is just going to stand out for you? Like one match, sir.
Um, yeah, for me, it would be the All England semi-finals against Petergate. That
Uh-huh.
would be the match which I remember most because it was a match which I had planned for a year,
Right,
and I
right.
trained for it because I lost a match a year ago, very humiliatingly to him.
Uh-huh.
And for me to plan and sketch and prepare and win against somebody in a big event like the All England and in a semi-final match at the All
Mm-hmm.
England when he was the number one seeded and world number one was something is a match in terms of pure success of planning and execution would be very, very good.
Right,
But I
right.
think in terms of pure happiness, though, when you win a match, when you win a match and the team wins or the country wins because of you,
Mm-hmm.
those are the matches which give you pure happiness.
Mm-hmm.
For me, my school day matches, strangely, it might sound strange when I was in ninth class, because I won, my school won. And because I won and the school won, we were given a holiday the next day to the entire school
Right.
for the 8th, ninth, and 10th classes. So those moments of were of pure happiness. Or the other time is when I won my match in singles and doubles, and India for the second time qualified for the Thomas Cup finals was
Right.
another match which I
Right.
remember, which gave me great amount of happiness.
Right. Right, sir. So I also keep like wondering, like I also wish I had some students like this in my class who won some competition and we got holiday the next day. But it didn't happen, sir. I don't know. It's everyone's luck, I guess. So one more question, sir. How do you keep yourself active during this pandemic situation? These are for these our sports people currently, because we're all home stuck right now. We can't go outside. How do you keep yourself active during this situation?
Um, when you're when you're your when you're your age, it's still okay to mess up, right? So when you're my age, then it's not the same. So the body takes a lot of abuse. So for
Mm-hmm.
me, it's important to keep a regimen. It's important that you should eat right. You should train optimum. And for me, it's always been that we've always complained in life that I don't have time for myself
Right.
and
Right.
my family. And today, luckily, from now on at least, I can't say that because we've got a lot of time for myself. So I have used it well. Physically, I am at the best shape I've been in the last 10 years. So
Right.
I've grown stronger. But I think it's very important for each of us to have physical goals, whatever those can be. In the sense, if you're doing 5 push-ups, it could be 6 and 7 and 8. Achievable targets are important because sometimes without a proper target, we might just get lost. So I think measurable targets on fitness would be a very important thing. And there's a whole bunch of things you can do. We are so fortunate that you can use the same online to actually do a follow-on version of maybe a Pilates, or you can do a stretching routine or a aerobics or a calisthenics or any of those workouts. So there's so much available on the net. So be smart, pick up what you want and spend an hour each day. And if you, everybody should actually have a target, whether it's push-ups, sit-ups, back-ups, pull-ups, jumps, whatever, running. whatever option you have, but it's important to actually have something.
Right, 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 sir. I think if we keep talking, sir, it's going to take the entire day, and then these people are going to be like, "This is my day. We need to get moving." So, as a last question, I'll just end it with that question, sir. So, like IPL is happening in Dubai, so the sporting, the cricket has started. When are we going to see the badminton start in India in like a proper level?
Well, it's going to be a little more challenging. I think for us, events like the IPL, the professional leagues are the easier ones to start off because
Correct.
you can quarantine people, you can actually make them bubbles, and then you can get things started off. But if you have to start off an open event where some 3,000 kids from across the corners of the country need to travel, or a school tournament with kids coming from, I think it's going
Correct.
to take a little more time. So I
Right.
think in this time, we need to kind of be smart to organize smaller, restrictive events to ensure that sport somehow starts on. But I'm hoping that come December, we might look at some events in India. But badminton as such at the world level is starting off next month.
Next month. Right, sir, right. Thank you so much, sir, for those kind words. Can we have a huge, huge, huge round of applause for sir?
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. I wish you were here. I could at least maybe like get a photo with you or maybe handshake. Now I think handshakes are not going to happen for quite some time, so I'll give you like a fist bump, sir. And hope to meet you, sir, someday soon. And on behalf of the Sports Club Committee, on behalf of Professor Dr. Arin Saha, behalf of Rafiuddin sir, Preeti ma'am, on behalf of everybody, I thank you for accepting our invite, coming, blessing us with those amazing words of you, which I'm probably sure everyone's going to remember for quite some time. Thank you so much, sir. It meant a lot to us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Aban. Thank you, Professor Saha and Rafiuddin ji. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And to all of you, thank you very much.
Thanks to you also.
Thank you. Thank you.
I still remember that December day when you visited our campus. We had a nice time, particularly I'm taking time, particularly I discuss about Sindhu. That day I very much remember, and then really she has come fantastic. I'm very happy with that progress.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank
Thank
you.
you so much, sir. So we sure have missed out on a majority part of the calendar year sports events, notably the inter-year competition, recharge a few inter-university tournaments due to the ongoing pandemic. But this annual day is all about bringing back memories and reliving sporting achievements throughout the year, no matter how small the list might be. So let's start with the trip down memory lane and begin with the last of many gatherings like these for the final year students. To begin with, the first award for the day. The award goes to Abhi Gude, who's being the best basketball player for the batch of 2020. Abhi Gude is a fierce personality on the court. He leads his team from the front and inspires them to play to their strengths. He is a great leader. He secured the first place in GMU Tournament 2019, first place in BSF 2019, first place in Heriot Tournament 2020, second place in BSF 2017 and 2018. May I request Abhi to accept the certificate and award from the Sports Club of BITS Pilani Dubai campus and share a few words of this massive achievement of his. Can we have a huge round of applause for him? Is Abhi there? I think Abhi is not there. Right. Whenever he comes on, we shall bring him back. Right.
Moving on to family emergency, Aban. So due to that, he has just informed us that he'll be joining.
Okay.
I think we can move to the next.
Yeah. No issues. No issues. Perfect. Moving on to the next award for the day. The next award goes to Shifa Rahman for securing the best basketball player as well as the best athlete for the batch of 2020. She secured the first place in RAC MHSU 2018, first place in Scottish Highland Games 2020, second place in BSS 2018, 2017, 2020. Oh my God, the list just goes on and on and on. I request Shifa to accept the certificate and award from the Sports Club of BITS Pilani Dubai campus and share a few words for this achievement of hers. May we have a huge round of applause for her.
I would like to take this opportunity to extend my gratitude to my team, friends, and family. I would like to thank Rafi sir for always encouraging me and motivating me to do my best. And I would like to thank BITS for giving me the platform to exhibit my skills that helped me achieve this award. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shifa. Short and sweet. That's how we like it. Moving on to the next award. The next award goes to Shama Shah for being the best badminton player for the batch of 2020. She secured the first place in badminton BSF 2016, 2017, 2019, Manipal Sports Festival 2016, 2017, GMU Sports Festival 2016 to 2019, DIAC Sports Festival 2017, Heriot Ward Scottish Highland Games 2017. I don't think there is something called a second place or third place in her dictionary for sure. May I request Shama to accept the certificate and award from the Sports Club of BITS Pilani Dubai campus and share a few words for this massive achievement of hers. Can we have a huge round of applause for her?
Well, I want to thank BITS for the opportunity to play and represent my college in badminton. I would also like to thank Rafi sir and the sports club for always motivating us and inspiring us by organizing various events. Lastly, I would like to thank my teammates who have taught me a lot and without whom none of this would be possible. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shama. Moving on to the next award. The next award goes to Anubhav Gupta for being the best chess player for the batch of 2020. He has secured the first place in BSF 2018 and second place in BSF 2019. He also secured the first place in Manipal 2019 and first place in IMT 2019. May I request Anubhav to accept the certificate and award from the Sports Club of BITS Pilani Dubai campus and share a few words for this achievement of his. May we have a huge round of applause for him. Is that Anubhav speaking? Or
Yes, I think there's some issue with his mic.
right. I think there's an issue with his mic, but I am pretty sure. I think what I know Anubhav have said. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to play. Anubhav, I'm giving the speech on your behalf. If you can come and give the speech, I would love it. But I think there's an issue with his mic. So I think he's thanking everybody. I think so. I'm not sure. Okay. I think so. He's thanking everybody for giving him this opportunity to play, and he'll always be privileged to come back to the college and represent the sport team if he has to ever. Anubhav, you're still not there. I can't cover up more than this. I think Anubhav's mic has a problem. No issue. Moving on to the next award. The next award goes to Pradeep Kumar for being the best chess player for the batch of 2020. He secured the first place in BSF 2018, second place in BSF 2019, first place in Manipal 2019, and first place in GMU 2020. May I request him to accept the certificate and award from the Sports Club of BITS Pilani Dubai campus and share a few words for this achievement of his. Can we have a huge round of applause for him?
Good evening, guys. I would like to thank Rafi Sir Sports Club and BITS Pilani to give me this opportunity in participating in all the tournaments. Also, I would like to thank my whole team and seniors who helped me improve my game. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Pradeep. Moving on to the next award. The next award goes to Amatul Fatima for being the best chess player for the batch of 2020, along with being the best table tennis player for the batch of 2020. She secured gold medal in RAC MHSU 2018 and 2019, a silver medal in 2017 BITS Sports Festival and BITS Sports Festival 2018 and 2019. As for her table tennis achievements, she has won a gold medal in AUS Championship 2018, 2019, 2020, Skyland 2019, RAC Medical 2019, and RAC Medical 2018. She secured a gold medal in BSF 2017 and a silver medal in BSF 2018. She also secured a gold medal in her interior 2018 and a silver medal in her interior 2019. Oh my God, that was such a long list of achievements. I request her to accept the certificate and award from the Sports Club of BITS Pilani Dubai campus and share a few words for this massive achievement of hers. Can we have a huge round of applause for Anjum?
I think Anjum is not available.
Good evening, everybody. I'm very grateful to BITS Pilani Dubai campus for providing me with this opportunity. I'm especially grateful to my parents, the sports club, and my team. I would also like to express my gratitude to Dr. Rafiuddin for successfully running this club and fulfilling all its needs. These are the memories that will last for a lifetime, and I hope our juniors continue the legacy. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Anjum. Moving on to the next award. The next award goes to Ashley Lobo for being the best cricket player for the batch of 2020. Ashley also represented the UAE national team under 15 and was a part of all major cricket leagues. He secured the first place in BSF 2019, the first place in BSF 2017, runners-up in the Skyline Tournament 2019, and runners-up in the University Cricket League 2019. He also won the Best Batsman for the University Cricket League 2019 and won the Man of the Final in his University Cricket League 2019. He's a very good friend of mine, and usually when he performs very good, our full group tells him like, what a garam performance, what an amazing performance, and I don't want to lose this opportunity of telling this once more to him. I request him to accept the certificate and award from the Sports Club of BITS Pilani Dubai campus and share a few words for this massive achievement of his. Can we have a huge round of applause for him?
Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to thank the Sports Club for hosting this annual day, and I also thank them for giving me an opportunity to represent the college. I would also like to give special thanks to my team for all the wonderful memories and experiences that I've had. This is a journey of a lifetime that I would remember. I thank also Dr. Rafiuddin and Dr. Arun Saha as well for giving me the opportunity. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Ashley. Moving on to the next award. The next award goes to Shivram Arora for being the best cricket player for the batch of 2020. He secured the first place in BSF 2019, first place in BSF 2017, runners-up in the Skyline Tournament 2019, and runners-up in the University Cricket League 2019. I request Shivram to accept the certificate and award from the Sports Club of BITS Pilani Dubai campus. And I don't think he's joining the meeting. So can we have a huge, huge round of applause for him? Moving on to the next award. The next award goes to Yashasvi Malka for being the best cricket player for the batch of 2020. Yashasvi Malka has been a constant part of his team since his first year. He began with being the treasurer of the sports club, moved on to becoming the vice president of the sports club, and finally the president of his sports club in the final year. He secured the first place in BSF 2019 and BSF 2017, runners-up in the Skyline Tournament 2019, and runners-up in the University Cricket League 2019. May I request him to accept the certificate and award from the Sports Club of BITS Pilani Dubai campus and share a few words for this massive achievement of his. Can we have a huge round of applause for him?
Yeah, hello, good evening, everyone. Firstly, our chief guest, Pululu Gopichan sir, Rafi sir, director sir, and everyone. I think I have a speech at the end anyway, so thank you so much for the award. So at this moment, I would like to thank my teammates, Ashley, Shivram, Rishabh Bhati, Kishore, and all my teammates who have helped me win this award. And yeah, this is a very emotional moment for me. Thank you so much for supporting me throughout.
Thank you so much, Malka. Moving on to the next award. The next award goes to Jennifer Julius Michael for being the best cricket player for the batch of 2020. She secured first place in BSF 2016 till 2019, DIAC Sports Festival 2018, GMU Sports Festival from 2017 till 2019, Amity Sports Festival from 2017 till 2019. There is not a single second place or third place, which means that she got the first position for BITS Pilani Dubai campus's cricket team in all of the cricket tournaments for the girls team. That itself is a big honor for us, and I request her to accept the certificate and award from the Sports Club of BITS Pilani Dubai campus. And can we have a huge, huge round of applause for her? Jennifer, could you share a few words for this achievement of yours?
Hi, yeah, I just want to say thank you to the college management, Rafi sir, the sports club for always supporting us, the boys cricket team that has always taken time out to help us get better, and coaches and my teammates who've always pushed me to do better and do the best I can do, all my seniors for their support, and I'm just glad that I got the chance to play with such great people and learn so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jennifer. Moving on to the next award. The next award goes to Hanan Mamouti for being the best football player for the batch of 2020. Hanan was the captain of the football team in his final year as well. He secured the first place in the IMT Football Tournament 2017. second place in RAC MHSU Indoor Football Tournament 2018, and first place in IMT Football Tournament 2019. May I request Hanan to accept the certificate and award from the Sports Club of BITS Pilani Dubai campus and share a few words for this massive achievement of his. Can we have a huge round of applause for him?
Hi everyone, thank you for this opportunity. I'm very grateful for this recipient. I would like to thank my teammates. Without them, this award would be impossible. And also I would like to thank my coach, Nikhil. He was one of the most inspirational and one of the best coaches I've ever had. And I would like to thank Rafiuddin sir and Sports Council for this opportunity and thank them for their support. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Hanan. Moving on to the next award. The next award goes to Saksham Gupta for being the best table tennis player for the batch of 2020. He secured the first place in RAC MHSU 2020, first place in BSF 2019. May I request him to accept the certificate and award from the Sports Club of BITS Pilani Dubai campus and share a few words for this achievement of his. Can we have a huge round of applause for him?
Hello everyone. I would like to thank Director BPDC, Mr. Rafiuddin sir, the Sports Club and everyone else who have put together a great effort to put this event together and given me the opportunity to create memories I will always cherish. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Saksham. Moving on to the next award. The next award goes to Sneha Vaidyanathan for being the best table tennis player for the batch of 2020. She secured the first place in AUS 2016 till 2019, first place in RAC MHSU 2018, first place in Skyline 2018, second place in BSF 2017, second place in BSF 2017 and 2018. May I request her to accept the certificate and award from the Sports Club of BITS Pilani Dubai campus and share a few words for this massive achievement of hers. Maybe have a huge round of applause for her.
Thank you, Ban, so much. I would like to thank the entire Sports Club as well as my team. It's been such a pleasure playing these 4 years. Yeah, so thank you.
Thank you, Sneha, and you're welcome. Moving on to the next award. The next award goes to Sanjeev Gajala Reddy for being the best tennis player for the batch of 2020. He is a dedicated sports person, made time for practice sessions amongst all the other work he had for the college. This is the mark of a true sportsman. He was also the general secretary of the sports club in his third year and the president of the student council. He secured the first place in the GMU tournament 2019, first place in BSF 2019, first place in Herit Watt tournament 2020, second place in BSF 2017 and BSF 2020. May I request him to accept the certificate and award from the Sports Club of BITS Pilani Dubai campus and share a few words for this achievement of his. May we have a huge round of applause for him.
Yeah. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. First, I would like to thank the director, sir, and Rafi, sir, for getting us the tennis court in my second year. I would not have been a player that I am today without it. I would like to mention Rafi, sir, again, because I don't think thanking him once here would be enough. He made me what I am today. With his constant guidance and the workload which he gave me, and also the support in any matter in college. Thank you so much, sir. And thank you, Sports Club, for accepting me as a general secretary 2018-2019 and the ex officio 2019-2020, because I would be a nobody if I wasn't part of the Sports Club. I don't know who I would be. Finally, as you all have seen, thanks to my tennis teams I have been a part of. Initially, I was never a team player, but that's why I actually chose tennis. But finally, I don't know, if it has shown me what it means to be part of a team after coming to this college, after being part of my tennis teams and basketball teams. Finally, I would like to thank the current and the new club bearers of Sports Club, Yashasvi Malka, Hashir, Sumaya, Alan, Shashank, Gani, and Nirbhay for organizing this event, and wish you all the very best in the future. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Gaja. Moving on to the next award. The next award goes to Prajna Athreya for being the best throw ball player and the best tennis player for the batch of 2020. She was voted as the best throw ball player in the Skyline Tournament 2019. She secured the first place in throw ball tournaments BSF 2016 till 2019, in the Manipal Festival from 2017 to 2019, the Skyline Tournament from 2017 to 2019, AMT Tournament 2018-2019, the GMU Sports Festival from 2017 till 2020, and the ACT Sports Festival 2017. As for her tennis achievements, she secured the first place in GMU 2017, second place in BSF 2017, 2018, and 2019. May I request Prajna to accept the certificate and award from the Sports Club of BITS Pilani Dubai campus and share a few words for this massive achievement of his.
Thank you so much for this award. Throwball has been one of the first sports I've ever played, and it has given me so much joy and so many memories, which I will forever cherish. I would especially like to thank my teammates whose energy and positivity has made every practice and every tournament truly unforgettable. This team has a special place in my heart, and I will dearly miss it. I would also like to thank Rafi Sir's Sports Club and BITS for giving me the opportunity and also giving me the tennis court so I can play. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Prajna. Moving on to the next award. The next award goes to Kishore Balamurgan for being the best volleyball player for the batch of 2020. You won't see the humble and soft-spoken Kishore on the court, but when he spikes the ball and hits it, it's as though his life depends on it. He secured the first place in Rackham HSU 2018, second place in GMU 2019, and first place in Rackham HSU 2019. May I request him to accept the certificate and award from the Sports Club of BITS Pilani Dubai campus and share a few words for this achievement of his. Can we have a huge round of applause for him? Kishore, you're there, just unmute the mic. Yeah. Kishore, share a few words with us. I think your mic's not working, or
You have to unmute the mic.
no, he has unmuted the mic. I think no issues. We can get him back later on because we can get him back later on as well. Kishore, can you hear us? I think he can hear us, but his mic is not working.
Yeah, okay.
By then. Moving on to the next award. The next award goes to Ramya Ramesh for being the best volleyball player for the batch of 2020. She secured the first place in Rackham HSU 2018, first place in Scottish Highland Games 2017, and second place in BSF 2018. May I request her to accept the certificate and award from the Sports Club of BITS Pilani Dubai campus and share a few words for the massive achievement of her. May we have a huge round of applause for her.
Hi, good evening, everyone. I would like to thank Mr. Rafiuddin sir and entire sports committee for giving me this award. I would like to thank my seniors and my parents also for all the support and guidance they have given me. I would also like to thank my teammates, entire teammates for giving their best in each and every tournament. And last but not least, I wish all the best to all the future BITS sports teams. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ramya. And that brings us to the end of the individual awards for the day. Moving on to the overall awards. The overall award for the sports person of the match, male 2020. Any guesses? I wish this was live. I would probably be hearing a lot of sound for this. And I'm pretty sure I would be hearing the right name. Yes, you guys got it right. The best player, sports person of the batch, male 2020, goes to Kishore Balamurgan. Can we have a huge round of applause for him? It's not a doubt that he takes the best sports person award this year. He has been a constant and vital part of the cricket, basketball, and volleyball team, making him the most ideal candidate for this award. Kishore, if you can share a few words with us, I hope you've got your mic fixed. We would love to hear from you. I think he's still not got it fixed. No issues, Kishore. Whenever you get it fixed, just let us know so that we can get you back on screen. But if that doesn't happen, I'll give the speech on your behalf. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to play. And I'm thankful to Rafi sir, the director, and everybody. And I'm pretty sure Kishore will be back and getting his mic fixed. Moving on to the next award. The next overall award for the best sports person of the batch, female. Any idea, guys? Who could it be? I think everybody knows who this award is going to go to. Yes, you're right. The award goes to Prajna Athreya for being the best sportsperson of the batch female 2020. She has been the part of the throwball team, the basketball team, and the tennis team, leading each team to victory in all competitions across the 4 years. Prajna, would you like to share a few words with us for this massive achievement of hers? Can we have a huge round of applause for her?
Thank you so much. I would like to start off by saying it's an honor to be picked out of all the brilliant athletes present here today. To me, this is a representation of literally all the memories I've made in the last 4 years and the people I've met, the friendships I've forged. And in fact, I actually met my best friend during tryouts, Shifa. She was so annoyed that I turned up at almost every tryout. And she's a brilliant athlete and a wonderful human being. And I'm so glad that BITS has given me the opportunity to meet people like her. I would especially like to thank my team, without whom this wouldn't be possible. All my mentors who have patiently taught me valuable lessons. I would also like to thank the nurse at the clinic because he's basically cured me of all my wounds. And I think I've cost BITS about at least a fortune in just first aid. I would also like to thank my friends and my parents for being so supportive, and of course Sports Club for making this these last 4 years so wonderfully amazing. And finally, I would actually like to thank my dog, whose name and birthday I owe my success and my luck to. So thank you very much for this.
Thank you so much, Prajna, for those kind words of yours. You're right. Some of them, the unsung heroes, the medical staff and all, go unnoticed. And thank you for bringing them to our notice. We also have 2 tokens of appreciation. First token of appreciation goes to Malka, Yashasvi Malka, for being an exceptional leader as the president of the sports club. In his tenure, he helped organize multiple events, raising the standard every year and setting a benchmark. May I have Malka share a few words with us for this achievement of his?
Hello everyone. Aban, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Thank you. Hello everyone. My name is Yashasvi Malka. To all the people who are new, my juniors who have joined, I'm a proud member and outgoing president of the sports club of 2019-2020. When I entered BPDC, I used to always talk about my school memories to all my friends, Anurag, Abhig, and Gajja, and they used to say that, why do you have to talk so much about your school and everything? But I remember how bored people used to get being around me in my first semester especially. But today, post-COVID, because of our last semester not being there, today whenever I meet anyone, even on Zoom calls or everywhere, all I talk about, even with my family, my parents, is about my 4 years of BITS. Firstly, I would like to thank Director Sir for accepting everything that we have taken up to him, from the bowling machine, a tennis court, athletic track, bringing Bravo, having Sunburn, and I think things can get endless if I start saying about how many things that has supported us in. I still remember the question the marketing head of Coca-Cola asked me. He said, I'm very impressed with the presentation, but you tell me which part of the world I'm from, and Coca-Cola is going to be the title sponsor of BSF. Though it was more on a lighter note, it taught me that the easiest questions are the most tough ones to answer. And I was wrong, though Coca-Cola was the title sponsor. My father, my mentor, literally everything in college. I can say I never really had a girlfriend in college because they all know how close me and Rafi sir were. It was literally like a relationship, from the silly fights to understanding what's right. Rafi sir's room was the place I spent most of the time in the 4 years. What makes me happy to see as the president of sports club is the same dedication was shown by my friends and juniors who would stay awake till 2 to 3 a.m. to get the work done. Hats off to their dedication. I would like to thank Akila madam for letting sir spend so much time with me. Without his experience, whatever we have done was literally nothing. I wouldn't be called here to speak if I wasn't the president of the sports club. So let me first thank the people who are behind me being here. Navneet Anna, Chepu, Gautam, Sharon, Patnibhai, my batchmates, who I can proudly say we organized the biggest sports festival in the Middle East, raised a sponsorship of 2.5 lakhs AED, which was the highest ever in BPDC. Manoj, Vasudha, Gajja, Anurag, Abhig, Nipun, Tawfiq. My sports council of this year, Hashir, Alan, Sumaya, and Gajja. Now I'm missing out on a group without which BSF 2019 is not possible. My brainstorm team and all the volunteers who are nothing less than my family. Apologies for not taking their names because I'm sure I would miss out on some of them and I would be regretting that forever. BSF app, tennis court, athletic tracks, bowling machine, all stars, fan army, a home jersey and an away jersey, getting Bravo to perform, and so many more things, which are the most memorable things for me. I'm not mentioning this to show a badge achievement, but it's a bar which is very high to match, and I'm sure you would all do a very good job. Gani, Alan, Shashank, and Nirbhay, all the best. You can't even imagine how much I will miss college and how I will treasure the memories I have made over the past 4 years. These memories will always remind me of my amazing time at BPDC. Thank you so much, and I would again want to thank all my friends who are a part of me. With that being said, thank you for listening to me so patiently. Take care, stay safe. From strangers to street friends, I will never forget. It has been an amazing journey. Thanks to everyone for letting me be a part of it. And thank you so much, BITS Pilani, all my lecturers, for letting me graduate. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Malka, for that amazing speech of yours. I have seen Malka grow in a tremendous way, and the amount of fights we've had, be it from the council fights or from anything to everything. He's someone who's seen my beard grow when I had nothing. He's someone who's seen my orange hair go away. So I've seen he's been throughout with me and with the college, with everything that's been needed every time. And I doubt he was ever there in his room. He's always been on the courts, the grounds, helping people out. So thank you so much for that, Malka. The next token of appreciation goes to Sanjeet Gajjala Reddy for supporting the sports club as the ex officio. Despite having multiple duties in the student council, he made sure he made time for every meeting, every event, and boy, we surely can say he performed it to the best of his abilities. May I ask Gajja to share a few words for this achievement of his?
Yeah. Okay. Honestly, I didn't know there was a second speech that I would have to give, but as I've said everything I have to say before. All I have to say is I'm going to miss everything I did for the college. I'm going to miss all the time I spent with the faculty, with my fellow students, and with the staff, everyone. So I'm just going to miss the experience I had in my college. That's it. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Gajja, for that. Last but not the least, we will be concluding with the vote of thanks, and the vote of thanks will be given by the president of the sports club, Yashasvi Malka.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone, once again. And I didn't want to speak again after my speech because it was, looking at Rafi sir through the screen, I can see all the emotions going through Rafi sir, Gajja, and all of our faces. So I would like to start with the vote of thanks. I would like to thank the Sports Council, firstly of 1920, and the new Sports Council for 2021. Director sir, all the faculty who have helped us, the IT department, and everyone who has helped us. A special thanks to all the winners and the teams who have supported us throughout the year. This is not just for the annual day, but everything that we have done for the sports club. And a special thanks to the designer who has designed this virtual background, who's Rafi sir's daughter. Thank you so much for the design. Though we, at the last moment, our main designer Manoj did not have a laptop, so he was not able to design. So at the last moment, she came up and she helped us with this. So thank you so much, everyone, once again from the Sports Council. This is Yashasvi Malka signing off as the president.
Malka, you are forgetting chief guest, today's chief guest.
Sorry, sir. I think I have too mixed emotions, so might have missed something. So thank you so much, sir. Pulal Gopichan sir, who has joined. So since November itself, we were planning to have a chief guest for the annual day. And sir used to say that, if you get a chief guest this year, then again next year also I will have to get, and things like that. But very lucky to say that it happened online. Something that we would cherish post-COVID is that because it was online, we were able to have Pulal Gopichan sir coming. And thank you so much, Director sir, for joining today. It is really special and very thankful of you for joining today. And very nice to see you, sir.
Thank you so much, Malka.
Preeti Madam, Dean Student Welfare, Preeti Madam, and K. Kumar Sir, KK Singh Sir, and Facilities Department, Bashir Sir, Yaqub Pasha sir, and each and everyone. If I forgot someone's name, then apologies from my side. But thank you, sir. Thank you so much, each one of you guys who have helped us. The security, the canteen staff, Pramod Kumar sir, our warden Naveen sir, Gulshan Kumar sir, and each and everyone. Thank you so much. Venkatesh sir, who was sir's PA for about 3 years. Every time we had to meet sir, we used to go and talk to him. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you once again, director sir. Thank you so much for being available today.
Thanks and blessings to all of you. Be safe and well. Okay.
All right. All right.
Thank you.
I think Preeti ma'am has joined us. Thank you so much. As I told you, it is a great pleasure to have Preeti ma'am with us. I don't know if she will be speaking. If you can just get her on the spotlight for even 10 seconds, that would make our day. Even if you get the blank screen just saying Preeti ma'am, I'm going to be happy. I'm honestly going to be very happy to seeing that.
I don't think she'll be able
I just saw ma'am's
name.
again.
It shows that she's joined the meeting, but she's not able to.
Ma'am is there. I can see her name, but I think it's a blank screen.
Yes, yes.
Never mind. No issues. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining. That makes a big deal for us. And
once again, thank you from my side to Chief Guest, Mr. Pulila Gopichan. On phone call, he has accepted our invitation. And thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Today, because of you, this first virtual annual sports day in Middle East, I hope this is grand success. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I think everyone's, sir and Mulka together thanked everybody out there. And I think this is going to be my last hosting in my 4 years.
And I'm sorry, thanks to Aban. Without you, nothing is possible.
Right, sir.
And special thanks to Aban.
Like to add
He's the
something,
main person, he's the main key person for having this virtual annual day.
I would like to say
you.
something about Aban. I mean, though whatever, I mean, everyone in college knows that we were political rivals back from the vice president and the president elections. But no matter what, he has shown the true spirit that, right after elections, we have come together. He has helped us compare for BSF and annual day today. In a short notice, he came forward and literally he has organized everything. Thank you so much, my brother. And yeah, it was great working with you. You have shown some true team spirit.
So actually today's behind, you are seeing only Aban and myself. There are other lot of technical teams are working for showing virtual background, and somebody is playing claps, somebody is playing slides, somebody is doing spotlight. We have all 4 or 5 technical members. I thanks to them also, Alan, Shashank, and Alan friends. 4 or 5 members are involved in this. Finally, thanks to our IT department for supporting this event.
Right. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Preeti ma'am has just sent a message on the chat saying wishing you all the best and God bless you. Thank you so much, ma'am. And that brings us to the end. And I think it should be my last as well. And I think I will take 5 seconds to pray to God that we have our convocation and our graduation this year so that I get to meet each one of you. And I hope this is not the last. And I actually don't want to say thank you to many of you out there. I'll tell you why. Because I usually feel when you say thank you, your part is done. I want to keep it within me that I owe all of you something. So I'm not going to say thank you. I'm just happy that I got a chance to do this and I'm happy that you all were there. And I think that will wrap up the event. And until next time, this is your host and those ex-vice president of the student council signing off. If sir has something to say, yes, please.
No, before that, yes. See, actually for this virtual annual day, we are working from 1 month, last 30 days. Already have taken their names. The sports club members, the Malka anyhow here, Sumaya, Hashir, and Alan, all these team members there. We have even night time, 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock, we had a Zoom meetings, how to go about it. We have a practice sessions. I think this whole session of 40 minutes, we have practiced, I think, more than 6 times, how it is coming to check. So thank you, Anand.
Thank you so much. So that brings us to the end of the event and we will wrap it. Until next time, this is all for signing off. And I hope to see you all again. And I can't say like the buses will leave this side and buses will leave that side. Rather, I'd say that we'll be ending the meeting. So thank you so much for joining, guys. I hope I really get to see you someday soon. and director sir is listening. I hope it happens during our graduation and our convocation, sir. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you,
so
sir.
much.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Please end the meeting. I don't want to be in spotlight anymore.